everyone, I am Miss Amber with the Davenport Public Library. Today, I will show you how to sign up for the Davenport Public Library Summer Reading Program using our new app, Beanstack. And I have a special helper today, Mini Wacky Waving Inflatable Tube Guy. Let's go!
Let's get started. Visit the library's website at www.davenportlibrary.com and click on the Summer Reading Program 2020 tab. There you will find information about the Summer Reading Program, plus information on how to log on to Beanstack. The easiest way would be to download the Beanstack app, which you can download from your app store, including iTunes or Google Play. Good job, Mini Inflatable Tube Guy. To create a Beanstack account, click Get Started, and then when it asks if your library has a page, click Yep, and then you will type in Davenport in order to bring up the Davenport Public Library's Beanstack. Yay, Davenport! Now, most of us will not have a Beanstack account already, so we will need to click down below to sign up for an account. This includes, if you already have a Bettendorf or Scott County account, you will still need to make a new Davenport one. You'll start by picking a username, which can be something simple, your name, whatever, and then you will also put in your email address. You will also want to pick a secure password. After that, it will ask for a little bit of personal information, such as your first name, your last name, and a contact phone number. This is where we will contact you if you win any grand prizes. Inflatable Tube Guy loves prizes! Yeah, you did it! Congratulations! You now have a Beanstack account. Now we can create our reader accounts. A family may choose to download separate apps and make separate Beanstack accounts for each family member, or they might choose to have one account and make reader accounts within the same app. So here we are adding a reader for a child. We have typed in a first name and a last name, and now we will select an age. The age will help choose which challenges the library will bring up that goes with that age group. Next thing, it will ask if you are a staff member. So this is just for library staff. It's an optional question. You can just ignore that if you are not a library staff member. It also allows you to add a profile picture. You don't need to do this if you don't want to, so you can always skip it. You can always go back and do it later. Now it's going to ask for some school information. We use this because we provide the schools with participation numbers. We also have a competition between the elementary schools on which school has the highest percentage of their students participating. There is an option for other if your school is not listed, and an option for adult if you are no longer currently in school. So now we have finished completing our first reader account. So we're going to actually get to go in and see what Beanstack has to offer. So you can see it lists kind of all your different readers up above. We only have one, so we'll select that one. And then you can scroll down and see, you can see different stats for the reader, how many minutes they've read, any other challenges they've completed, and you see the summer reading program right there. So to sign up for that, you'll just click on it, and then it will take you to the page that lists all the different ways you can earn tickets for entries for the grand prizes. So the main one is the activity badges. We have over 100 different activity badges there you can complete with different activities. So different things, you see a whole list there you can select on. Once you complete each one, you'll just check it off, and then you'll have an entry for a grand prize. You can also earn them by reading hours at a time, also attending virtual programs. All those things can earn tickets for the grand prizes. Okay, I think we will add another reader now so you can see how that works. Okay, you're going to click your little settings down in the right-hand corner, click on readers, and you will see your current readers listed, but also add a reader. And then this will look very similar to before. So you're just going to put in a little bit of information such as first name, last name, age. Okay, and you'll see I'm selecting 19 and up for this one since it is an adult account. Same thing, if you want to include a profile picture, you can. You don't have to. And then it's also still going to have that school information. So for adults, you'll just want to select adult in both of the menus for us. And then once you hit continue, your next reader account will be created. and it will take you now to the adult challenges. So you can see the adult summer reading program is listed there. So be sure to click on that and register, because we have some great grand prizes for adults as well. It's very similar to the child summer reading program in that you will do different activities or read books or attend virtual programs, and you can earn tickets for those grand prizes. So now you can see at the top that the little icon indicates that we are in the adult account. If you want to switch back to the child's account to enter some of their reading, you would click the little icon. It's going to bring up a menu, and you will see your readers there. So then you can just switch back to the child's account. You see their program there, and then you can go in and record their reading. Let's do an example of that now. So we're going to click up top, so we'll switch over to activities. It lists all those different activities there, so you can look through for one that you want. Let's say I've listened to an audiobook. So I would go in, all I do is check, I have listened to an audiobook, and you see I get that badge. Yay, very exciting, don't you think so, tiny inflatable tube man?
Yeah, he agrees. Okay, now let's see how we can enter those tickets to win the summer reading grand prizes. Go back to the home screen, scroll down, and you will see your badges. We have completed 2 badges, the audiobooks badge plus just the badge for signing up for the summer reading. We'll select to go in, you'll see the ticket icon, click on that, and then it'll list all of the different grand prizes for your age group. So you can go through, find the one that you're interested in, select it, and then choose how many of your tickets you wish to go towards that prize. So you can divide up your tickets and have some go towards one prize and have some go towards another prize. So you can see here we are selecting our prize for our second ticket. We'll click 1, and there you go. We have entered for the summer reading prizes. Thank you for joining us. We had so much fun. If you have any questions about Beanstack, please contact the Davenport Public Library.